Turn the page, live your life every day. Don't let anybody stand in your way.
All right, here we go. Check it out. Ooh, we got some green olives. We've got 2 slices of cheddar cheese. This is a 14 grain bread. It's a beautiful bread by Dave's. And some mustard. Greetings, Mike Foster here. How you guys doing? Letting the beard grow a little, but I've lost a lot of weight on some killer diet. Tell you about it later. This is my new sandwich. This is simple. It's actually not a killer. It's a killer sandwich, but it's a simple sandwich. It's a simple olive, cheese, and mustard sandwich. Believe it or not, it's delicious, simple to make, and it's kind of a good way to start your day, get through the day. I'm gonna toast that bread, put this baby together. While we're waiting for that toast, you're just gonna smash these olives up just a little like this. See that? So that'll just go easily on the bread. We're not gonna turn it into a tapenade or a spread, because I still want them crunchy, but I don't want them rolling around. So a little smash like that. Let's put this baby together. All right, we're gonna start off with just a little butter on both sides. Now some mustard. You know mustard is good for you. Mustard seed is actually good for your liver. Olives are good for you. Cheese, woo, I'm not sure. Now you take that cheese and you do the old flipperoo. See? Now you got mustard on both sides. Little trick. The old flipperoo. And then you just take these olives and you pile them on right there. Just like, look at that, it's perfect. Perfections! And you do the old flipperoo. You center it, presseroo. Let's give it the old sliceroo. Here's the reveal. Well, look how pretty that looks. Close up coming up, then a big bite. All right, there's the close up. You know what's in it. Now it's gonna be in me, big bite coming up. Already. Olive, mustard, and cheese on healthy bread. That's all you have to remember. Maybe remember this bite. Right off the tang from the olive and mustard combined. Wakes your mouth up. Hello, good morning. Cheese is gonna give you some protein to start the day. And the bread's perfect holding this baby together. A hit spot. There you go. For more videos like this, check out Live Life 365 at YouTube. Subscribe, tell people about it. Till next time, peace.
Live life 365.
I'll take a few minutes to chew this one. Talk among yourselves. I have a feeling in 5 minutes, there's gonna be 5 seconds, there's gonna be a noise. 3, 2. That's the timer. See? I multitask. This is quinoa. It's for another video of mine. Stay tuned. That baby's ready. All the way things happen. Baba, Babu, Bye.